This model is used when comparing intended and observed outcome. As mentioned earlier, congruency refers to the degree of alignment between what was desired and what was actually observed and achieved, while contingency is the relationship between one variable and another. Stakes models considers the educational experiences or learning experiences that can be provided to likely bring about the attainment of the purpose, the antecedent, how to effectively organize the experiences, the transaction, and how to determine whether these purposes are being attained outcome. In the context of the documentary Batang Langoy, we can identify student situation and economic status as the antecedent. Also, the learning environment is another antecedent. The transactions include how the students interact with the learning environment. They need to cross the sea just to get to the nearest elementary school. Also, the students' difficulty with curricular materials are part of the observed transaction. The observed outcome includes the students' performance in class. Sad to say, many of the children are repeaters, and this is far from the intended outcome of the curriculum because ideally, students should advance to the next grade level and should be equipped with the necessary competencies. Now that we have identified the intended and observed antecedents, transactions, and outcomes, we have come up with a proposal that will help the children learn more and achieve more.
Magalumbi Island is located in the northeastern part of Iloilo, wherein the students are required to swim or ride a boat in order to get there. The United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, or known as UNESCO, is a specialized agency of the United Nations aimed at promoting world peace and security through international cooperation in education, arts, sciences, and culture. Gave our team a fund amounting to 800,000 pesos to improve and develop the educational system and livelihood of the residents of Magalumbi Island, Iloilo. The team has thought of 3 solutions that can solve the challenges and issues of the said island is facing. The given budget was divided and allocated to the 3 solutions that are shown on the table. With the given budget of UNESCO, we came up with these 3 solutions in order to help the students and residents as well. First is to provide boats that will be the service of the students in going to school and to their homes. This can be achieved to help the residents in building and maintaining the boats as well. Second is to provide livelihood and technical trainings to residents such as building skills, cooking skills, food preservation, which can help in generating more income to their families and further support their needs. Lastly, various trainings and seminars will be given to the teachers for them to provide quality education to the learners. With the remaining funds, this will be allocated in the learning materials of the students, such as textbooks, modules, bags, ballpens, etc. That will be all.